In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Shopify Collaborator code. This short code is what developers, designers, or agencies use to request secure access to your Shopify store without needing your password. It helps you keep control over who can collaborate and what they can see, while making the onboarding process smooth. First, open your Shopify admin and log in. Make sure you sign in with an account that has permission to manage users and security settings. If you use multi-factor authentication, have your verification method ready. Being signed in as the store owner or an admin with the right permissions will ensure you can view and manage the collaborator code. Next, go to settings, then click on users. You'll find settings by selecting the gear icon at the bottom left of the admin dashboard. On some stores, this section may appear as users or users and permissions. If you're not seeing it right away, use the admin search bar and look for users. The goal is to reach the area where you manage staff and collaborator access. From there, select security. This is where Shopify groups options related to account protection and collaborator requests. The terminology may vary slightly depending on updates, but look for security within your users area. Once you're in, the collaborator code is easy to spot. Your collaborator code appears right there on the security page. It's a short code that partners use when submitting a request to access your store. Think of it as a gatekeeper. Only people with the code can submit a request that reaches you. You still approve or deny the request, so you remain fully in control. You'll see options to copy, generate, or delete the existing code. Copy is perfect when you simply want to share the current code. Generate creates a fresh code, which is helpful if you suspect the old one was shared too broadly, or you just want to rotate it for best practice. Delete removes the code entirely, which can be useful if you want to pause new collaborator requests for a while. If you generate a new code, remember that the old one will no longer be valid. Finally, send the code to your developer, designer, or agency using a secure channel. Let them know they'll enter this code when they request access through their Shopify partner tools. You'll receive the request in your admin, where you can review and approve it with the appropriate permissions. That's it. You found your collaborator code, learned how to manage it safely, and you're ready to share it securely.